I'm Rosy Hardy. Now, there are 3 key things when you are doing propagation that you really need to remember. Firstly, any plant material that you are going to be taking cuttings from or grafting onto or any of that sort of thing must be healthy. So you've got to have healthy plants to be doing the propagating from. Don't take it from things that are looking sick or dying, because that doesn't work. So number 1 is healthy plants. Number 2 is that you really must make sure that anything that you are using for propagation, so seed trays, plug trays, your snips, your knives, must be clean. So cleanliness is key for putting all of the material into. And then thirdly, make sure that the knife or the snips that you are using are really sharp, because you want good, clean cuts on anything that you are doing. So healthy material, clean utensils, sharp utensils. That is the key 3 things for propagating. Now, you can find out more about propagation at the workshops at the Spring Fair at Beaulieu.